Want to create a transparent text effect in CapCut? Here's how using overlay method. First, open CapCut and click Create Project. Next, click Import and select your video file. Once imported, drag the video from the media panel onto the timeline. Then click Text in the top left toolbar. Then click plus to add the text. Type your text into the text box, such as hello. You can also adjust the font style and size if needed. Next, drag the edges of the text clip so it lines up with your video. Right-click the text clip, then select Create Compound Clip. Next, go to the right side panel and click the Video tab. Scroll down until you find the Blend section. Click the Mode drop-down and select Overlay. Finally, click Play to preview your transparent text effect and make sure it looks the way you want. And that's it. You've created a transparent text effect using CapCut's Overlay Blend mode. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.